welcome to inside the Booking Koala admin dashboard. This is where you store and manage all of your customers' bookings and settings. So once you sign up for Booking Koala, this is where you will gain access, and you can go ahead and start doing everything on your own, managing your entire business from one login. So once you go ahead and log in here, you'll be taken to a screen like this where you can go ahead and insert your own logos and start the process. So here we are at the dashboard, and I'll just go ahead and mainly talk over how this looks like. And if you want to learn exactly what you could do with the dashboard and everything else, you can go to bookingkoala.com, and there is a video here under features, and you can go ahead and click on this, which will go ahead and talk over the entire software in detail. And then I'm sure you're already here, so this is where you could look at single features. Okay, so now let's go back in here. So here's your dashboard where you could see all your upcoming bookings and job history, and it's just a quick little preview of what are the next 5 upcoming appointments that you may have, and then 5 recent jobs that were completed. You can go ahead and click on the pen with the pencil to edit it, look at it further, and then cancel it with the trash can icon. So once you go inside, this is basically how it would look like. Under bookings, you have your individual tabs where you could see all today's bookings if there are any. You can go ahead and see upcoming bookings, and all of them here will be displayed for you. Unassigned bookings, this is basically where any booking that is unassigned can be stored, and there's a lot of cool features inside this folder that you might want to check out in the other videos that are also on the features page. Job history, basically all of your bookings will be stored here that were completed, and you could again do lots of things from there. Cancellations, cancellation requests, all of the completed bookings that are ready to be charged, all your charges logs, displaying everything you've done. You could refund from this tab and do all sorts of stuff. Drafts, if you did not complete a booking, you could go ahead and save it as a draft and come back and finish it later. Here you'll be gaining access to how to import customers, how to place customers into Booking Koala into your software, and then manage all of your customers from one spot. Same with providers. You could create new providers as individuals, and you could put providers and combine them into teams as well. Under providers, here you will see all of your providers listed in one spot, and you could go ahead and edit all of their settings from here. Once you click on a provider, you'll be able to see all of their jobs that are coming up. Once again, they do have their own dashboard where they see that stuff as well, but here you could go ahead and manage everything for them, so set their settings up and manage everything all from one spot for them. So for example, if they don't want to work certain jobs or certain locations, you can go ahead and uncheck those, and they will never be paired for those jobs. Okay, payments, you can go ahead and control all of the payments from here. Everything is automatically calculated, so you could go ahead and send out payment with the push of a button later. You could also adjust it before sending it out to make it perfect. Payment logs, you'll be able to see everything from here. Every payment you've ever made will be shown here and logged. So once you click on the eye icon, you can see in detail for which jobs they were paid, and all that good stuff. Marketing, all your marketing needs will be here, and we always keep updating this, creating new features and stuff like that. So currently you could add in coupons and send them out to new customers, existing customers, put them on marketing channels, whatever you want to do. Plenty of limitations and restrictions that you could work with from inside. Here are your gift cards. If you want to internally send gift cards and someone's calling over the phone and you want to send out a gift card to someone, you could do so, or they could log into their own account and do that within their own account. Ratings, you could go ahead and manage all of your ratings from one spot and see what recent ones were rated and keep track of it all in one tab. Email lists, this is something that we created with MailChimp. You could go ahead and connect this with MailChimp, and then you'll be able to use features like cart abandonment and send automated sequenced emails to the individuals, trying to get them to come back and buy from you, as well as other things that we incorporated here. Go ahead and learn more about that in a different feature on the page. Click the video there, and talks about this in more detail. And then here, some cool things. You could customize the referral page, how it looks like for your clients. Your gift card page, you could customize that as well. So if your customers don't speak English, you could go ahead and change everything to your own language. You could do the same thing with your own booking forms and everything else that we offer for you. Here you'll have access to reports, tons of reports that you could go ahead and use, like cancellation reports. Why are people canceling? Based on what reasons? So that you go ahead and optimize your business, how much you're making in a certain amount, in a certain time period, how much you're sending out in payments, how many bookings you have, your rating of your company. Everything is tracked inside here. So that's something that's really important and really cool. Here is a system log. It will show you everything that is happening inside your software, any actions done by a customer or anyone. Go ahead and run them through user roles or search someone's name, and you'll be able to track everything at all times. And here are your settings. You can go ahead and customize whatever you like, multiple industries, multiple forms. Go ahead and embed certain things on your website from here, control your booking spots, notifications, and all this cool stuff that you could go ahead and do from your own account. And then you could go ahead and create staff members in here and give them permissions to parts of this dashboard. So if you don't want them seeing or having access to any of the staff tabs, you could go ahead and disable that. Or if you want certain ones to show up and certain ones to not be accessible by your office staff or anyone that has access to this, you could go ahead and do it and adjust it in any way that you would like. Okay, and that is just a quick overview of what is inside your admin dashboard. Hopefully this video helped you.